Let me show you something before we go to the board. You see this thing you are seeing here? This black something you are seeing here? It's called sharpening path indicator. This line you are seeing here, this black rod you are seeing here. This sharpening path indicator, what it does is, it's telling you that if you want to sharp, this is where you sharp. But before we go into that, some machine used to rotate like this. If you on this machine now, it will be turning like this. So if this machine was turning like this, all you would have done is, if you want to sharp clipper blade, you sharpen here like this because it's going like this. So you sharpen here because it's going like this, right? So you would have sharpened here. This thing is telling you that you don't have to cross here and go to this side. You understand? So you would have sharpened here just at the center of this knot like this. The center, just like this disc is divided into two like this. This side equal and here equal. The two sides are equal. Now you sharpen, you keep your clipper blade and sharpen it like this. If the machine was going like this, but this machine here is going like this, clockwise. Clockwise is like this. So this machine is going like this. So what you do, you sharpen here. You just use this center knot and divide as if this disc is divided into two equal parts like this. You understand? So you sharpen here like this. You understand, Abi? Because it's going like this. It's going to the right side. So this one you sharp here. But there are some that we produce, they go like this, left side. So you sharpen this side. You understand? If a machine is going to the right side like this, and you come and sharpen here, it's as if something is coming like this, and you are blocking the thing. You understand? If you are sharpening here, so it will flatten your blade, and your blade will not even be sharp, because it will spoil the blade. It's as if you are trying to force it. Something is coming like this, you are forcing it. You understand? But if it's coming like this, and you are sharpening like this, it's as if you are following the way it's going. As it's going like this, you are sharpening like this. So it will be cleaning your blade and be pouring like this. All those blunt side, you go clean them under. It will be cleaning it under. You understand, Abi? So if a machine is going like this, clockwise like this, you sharpen like this. If it's going anti-clockwise like this to the left, you sharpen like this. But this your own is going clockwise. Sharpen, at the right hand side. You understand, Abi? That's why we put this thing. You sharpen here. But you always use this center knot, and just imagine it that this machine, this disc, this thing you are seeing is called sharpening disc, is divided into two. One line cut and like this into two equal parts. So if you are sharpening, sharpen like this. Keep your blade like this. Yeah, exactly, and sharpen like this. Don't come and sharpen here. You understand? Don't cross and sharpen here. Just sharpen here like this.
Like this.
No, you will not sharpen here. Why you will not sharpen here? Because your machine is going like this. Okay. So you only sharpen one side. Yes. Now if you stand that place now, you can sharpen here. You understand? Okay. Because even like this, it's going like this. You understand, Abi? It's going like this. You get? So, but for now, because this indicator, it is placed like this. So always sharpen here like this. You get? So that's what you will do. So a machine, if a machine is coming like this, you don't sharpen here, because if you sharpen here, something is coming like this, and you want to stop it from coming. Okay. So you go this other side so that it will flow. You understand, Abi? I will illustrate it on the board. And see, when you want to sharpen clipper blade, this thing, open this thing for me. This thing is called powder applying rub. You understand? Or you call it rubbing block. Powder applying knob, or you call it rubbing block. So this thing is, use it to apply powder and oil. You understand? Okay. So if you put your oil, if you get your oil like this, you open it here like this. You just have to put 2 drops like this. 1 drop, another drop. It's okay. You understand? Yes. Use this your block and rub it like this. See the way I'm doing it? Make sure the oil spreads everywhere. You understand? Let it go everywhere. See it on the surface now. Have you seen? Yes. See the surface now. Yes. So the next thing now, what you do is open your distance. Oil on your man of God, open this stuff. The next thing you do is you put your powder like this. make sure you always put your powder very well, because it is the powder that is sharpening the blade. You understand? Powder and the oil. So you use this one and do like this. Yes, rub it, let it go everywhere, let it touch everywhere. Remember, oil is 2 drops. You understand? You came with clipper blade?
Yes.
You came with clipper blade? That's good. Let's see.
Because do you have screwdriver?
To lose the blade.
Yeah.
So put that blade here. Fix it like this.
Okay.
You fix it like this.
Okay.
You understand? When you fix it like this, you see this knot here?
Yes.
Yeah? You see this one?
Yes.
You tie it back a little, so that it will not be rubbing here like this. Yeah? So see now, it's at the center.
Yeah.
You see how if you leave it like that very long, it will spoil this disc. So you just set it, let it be at the center, so that it will hook this blade like this. You understand? So where is the small one? The small one, you place it like this. So you then set it here like this. Set it. Set it. Let me see. You use screwdriver. Where is the screwdriver? As you are setting, you'll be looking here now to see if he's entering. Go set.
Okay.
Time more.
Don't hang him. Okay. You should hang him.
You should just hold it at the center.
Okay.
Yeah, it's okay. So it will not touch. Do not touch the surface of the disc. It's okay. It's okay.
Yes.
It's okay, Abby. It's okay now. Correct. So it will not touch. So when you are done setting it, both the small one and the big one, what you just need to do is, and you are done applying your powder, then on the machine. You see? Leave the machine. See, the machine is on the table. This thing is called stopper, right? So this stopper now is when we want to stop this thing now. This machine now. After when we off from here now, we use this one and bring this disc to a stop. So all you just need to do, you use your finger, and apply it like this. You use this one and hold here like this. This to hold like this. This one will go here, go like this. You see the way I'm just going at that center, and I'm doing my hand very, very fast. See your blade now. See the surface of this blade. So I will do it one time again. If I'm doing 10 or 15, I will do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You see, if I'm doing 20, I will do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. But you not count, you just use your imagination. You understand? I just know that, okay, you see the surface of the blade, how neat it is. You see? So we just go like this. So we are done with this one. See the surface. So let's do the small one. See how stable the machine is, Abi?
Yes.
You go with the small one. You do the same. This your finger here will be here like this. This one will hold this other one like this. You go like this. See the surface. Are you seeing? Go again. See the way I'm doing it very fast, and I'm applying little pressure. Carry it. You do it for the last time. If you did the big one 3 times, you do the small one 3 times too. So that's the surface of the blade, right? So hope you can see how good glittering it is. Now I will show you something. See the big one. Now there are some blade that if you ask. Now let me off this machine before I start that one. You see that the machine is very balanced. It's not even shaking. You can just keep it on the table and be sharpening. Now see if you want to. Now this is the help of this stopper. Now you just go like this. Don't do it one time. Oh, you leave it. Just like if you match brake automatic, your bike or your car will just somersault. So you match more. You see. Now let me tell you another mistake some people used to make. The moment you are done sharpening, let me get rack first before I explain this one. Now the moment you are done sharpening, if you are done sharpening one blade, see the surface of this blade is sharp. If you are done sharpening one blade, you just yes, it's okay. It doesn't take time. So the moment you are done sharpening one blade, you can still sharpen another blade, but it will take time now to sharp. Why? Touch the surface of these discs. Touch the surface. You see that powder is not there again. You understand? That powder, when you on it, use it to sharpen this one. Now it's not there again. So if you want to sharpen another one, it will take time because the powder that would have made it to sharp very fast is not there. That's the mistake some people used to make. Now all you just need to do is don't even try to stress yourself to say I want to manage the powder. That is why we are not selling the powder expensive for our customers. You understand? So we have too many powders, so you don't have to worry about powder. Don't manage it. Make sure you give your customers perfect sharpening. After you are done sharpening one pair of blade, what you just need to do, touch oil on a rack like this, on your machine. Use that place that you touch. Use it and clean your machine like this. See the way it will clean. You see, Abby? If it's not cleaning very well, you touch oil away again. It's just that I'm using one hand to do all these things. So you touch oil very well again. See the way it's cleaning, So what you are doing now is you are cleaning the other powder, and the other oil off. You understand? The moment you are done cleaning, now you see the surface is clean again. You off it. You bring it to a stop. That's after when you are done sharpening one pair of blade. One pair is this big one and this small one. After you have brought it to a stop, what you need to do now is another 2 drop. Yeah. 1, 2. If it's too much, 3. You can just clean it small. You understand? Then you use your rubbing block. Use a rubbing block. Now, if you check, another mistake is the more you are using this block, it will be accumulating particles. Accumulating particles, it means that powder will be storing on this place. You understand? So if you want to use it again, to make this place to be dirty. So if you want to use it again, that's why the rack needs to be by the side. You clean this thing like this on the rack. Make sure you clean. Just I'm using one hand. Clean it very well. The surface will be neat again. You understand? Use it now and rub the oil everywhere. You see? Now, you discover that if you look at this surface, it seems the oil is too much. Why? Because the oil I used in cleaning that time, it was still there. You understand? So you always use, if you use the side of the rack that has oil to clean, use another side that is dry and clean it. You understand? So you now apply your powder again. You go. If you do like this, you'll be using 1 minute to sharpen one blade. If you do like this, you use 1 minute to sharpen one blade. Then you on it. The moment you on it, you carry your blade again. Not the same one, another one. You understand? Now, let me tell you another this thing here. Another this thing here is, if you want to sharpen clipper blade and sharpen very fast, if you sharpen, the blade blunts very well. Because there are some blade, they will use it, the blade will blunt, they will pack it they will put sellotape. The sellotape will be very tall, very heavy on the blade. They don't know that as they are doing it, the blade will be, digging each other. Before you know it, will now have curved shape here. It will now have curved shape here like this. You understand, Abi? So, if you want to sharpen those kind of blade are blunt very well. If you use it, you do one time and sharpen like this. Maybe you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You do it one time like this, maybe 50 or 30, and do again 30 and do again 90. You see that the blade still have some side like this. It still has some side like this. There are some blade, if you want to sharpen it there, you discover that the thing will be moving like this.
Yes.
Your ear will be clean.
Yes. Yes.
This side like this, you see it will not be clean.
Yes, you will see comma.
Yes, comma, exactly. There are some that ear like this, from here, the whole of this plate will be clean, ear will not be clean. There are some that this side will be clean, ear will not be clean. There are some that will start from down like this and be cleaning to the upside, while it will remain here. So you need to sharpen till everywhere will be clean. You understand, Abi? Those kind of blade, what you just need to do, instead of you to be wasting time and be doing over and over, you just have, if you discover that the powder on the surface of this disc, this thing is called disc, has reduced, all you just need to do, to avoid stress, just off your machine, clean it, apply powder, oil and powder again, start again and sharpen the blade. You discover that the thing will just clean one time. You understand, Abi? To clean one time. But if you want to waste your time and say, I want to use that powder that I put that time to sharpen it, you waste time there, the blade will take time to sharpen. You understand, Abi? So all you just need to do, if you jam those kind of blade, if you meet those kind of blade that they are very, very blunt, if you just sharpen and discover it's still taking time to sharp for the whole surface of the blade to get clean. All you just need to do is to off your machine, clean the discs, reapply oil and powder, and sharpen the blade again to clean just one time. So if it is blade that would have taken you 1 minute, maybe it will take you 3 minutes because you want to sharpen it 2 times. You understand, Abi? But if the blade is not blunt, man, you can even sharpen 2 pairs. You just do like this before you know everywhere is neat and clean. You just keep it and sharpen another one. That one shows that the blade is not blunt very, very well. Because there are some blade that will be cutting, but they are not cutting very well. Some barbers will say, let me just touch it. You understand, Abi? So that it will sharp very well. While there are some, they will use it and it will stop cutting, they will pack it. Those ones that have blunt very well. You understand? So these are the simple things you have to note. And when you are sharpening, this line is already telling you that you need to sharpen here. If you check, when I was sharpening, I was going like this. I was not going here. You understand? I was going like this. You understand? Now, let me tell you something. If you divide these discs like this, if you divide these discs like this, here and here is equal. Even if you divide it like this, here and here is equal. So the thing is that this line is telling you that don't sharpen above this place. Don't sharpen this side. If you stand here, just sharpen here like this. From this place, let's say this thing will create an angle like this. You see, let's say angle 45, right? So 45, you understand? So what I'm trying to say is, you can go here like this, straight like this. You can bend it like this. It's still the same thing. But whatever you are doing, the tips of this your blade should not exceed the center of this knot. You understand, Abi? These teeth should not exceed. It should be here. You can go like this and do like this. You can go like this. It's still the center. And go like this. You understand, Abi? So that's it. You get the point very well, eh? So let's go to the board. Is there any question you want to ask?
I want to ask.
Okay, ask questions.
Well, this oil and that powder, you hear me that?
Yeah.
You can concern me like 1 month or 3 months, you will see many customers. And then this engine too, I'm so sorry, this engine, it can cost how many years to be using it?
Now,
the powerful of the engine.
Okay, now the engine is very, very durable, right? Durable in the sense that it can last long. But now let me tell you something, because We don't need to start lying because we want to sell a product. No, it's not good, because you want to use your money and buy this thing. Now, this thing is electronic. Are you getting me? When you put the required voltage for this thing is 220 to 240 volts. So if you go and carry the current that is more than this thing, you even no. If the light is too high, because this machine does not consume electricity, it does not consume light. So if your light is too low, very very low, and you'll be forcing this machine to work, you understand, below the standard electricity recommendation in Nigeria, which is 220 to 240 volt. If the light is too low and you are forcing this thing, say let me just be managing it like that, before you know it will be affecting the engine. You understand? Yeah, no, you can use light, but let the light be okay. You understand? Anytime you realize that the light is not okay, even when you on this machine, it's not moving, it's not rotating very well, stop it, don't use it again. Because let me now give you an example with your fan in the house. If your fan in the house, your light is too low, and the light, you are always on the fan with low light, before you know that fan will have problem. One day you on it, it will not turn. Are you getting me? Because the capacitor is forcing itself to peak. Are you getting the point? So it happens to a lot of homes. When the fan, the light is too low, maybe you have low light for like 1 week, 2 weeks. Every day you are forcing the fan to turn. Before you know, when the light will be full, you on the fan, it will not on. You get the point? So that's the same thing with this, because all these one are rotational mechanisms. They are rotational, equipment. They are turning. So if the light is too low, don't go. Please, I'm begging. If the light is too high, please don't go. Maybe if you have to know that your light is too high, if you on this machine, you'll be doing making too much noise. The same way that when light is too high, if you on your fan, you'll be doing as if the fan wants to pull out. You get the point, Abby? So all those times, please don't use your machine, because even the strongest electronic, if you give it low light or high electricity, or low or high electricity, before you know, you spoil it. But if it is for durability of this machine with standard light, 220 to 240 volts is on your manual, the machine will serve you for years, sir. And these discs, the good thing about our discs is that this disc doesn't get blunt. This thing you are seeing here, it doesn't get blunt. So because you have bought it today, you will continue using it till you get tired. The only thing is that always maintain it. When you are done sharpening, clean it. Use oil and clean it. Then use another rag that is dry and clean the oil out. When you want to sharp blade, just do the same thing that I showed you in that process. Right? So if you sharpen one pair of blade, clean it and recharge. Recharge means add oil and powder again and start again. And your oil should not exceed 2 drops. Right? 2 drops. Then put your powder adequately. Powder is not expensive from us because you are now our customer. And the good thing is that all our customers are agents. You are now an agent of Salon Affairs. Right? So we're not going to be selling you things expensive. You get the point? So that's it. If you have another question, you ask. Yeah. You understand? Yeah. You don't worry. We are together. Now, there are after service bonus. Right? After purchase bonus. Right? After purchase services. Sorry. Now that you have bought these machines, anytime you shout us, in fact, the way we are replying you now will be very fast, because we know that sometimes you might have problems and you want us to put it through. You understand? So that's it. So you see the machine, the way it is. You are even the one that is saying the machine has weight. So it's small, but it has capacity.
What of this one is doing? This?
All this one are fancy handles. Okay. You understand? So let me on it again. See the stability. That's why I was telling you that this machine is small, but it will serve you. That's why I was telling you, go for this one. Because the other one you wanted to go for, that one is for personal use. You want to use it only for your shop. But this one, you can use it for yourself and also sharpen for people. We've already told you the price now.
250.
Yeah. So now, let's do the teachings on the board, okay? Let me show you other things on the board, okay? See, anytime you finish Sharpen Clipper Blade, use brush. You brush all this place. They call it the throat. All these serrated points. This place that it has something like this, like so. Brush it out. Because if there are particles, like powder or, as you are sharpening this blade small, it's wearing out. Some particles here, it will make your blade not to cut well. You understand? Okay. That's another thing that people don't know. They will just sharpen clipper blade, they will carry like that and put. Always brush it and make sure it looks neat. That's why you see some people, when they are done sharpening blade, they will use smooth sandpaper and be going through this steel one by one, because they want to make sure that everything is okay. You understand? So please brush the big one and the small one. This place, so, see, like as I'm seeing here now, I'm seeing particles. Just that I can't go and carry the brush now. So you clean it before you put it. So to even make your blade to last long, and it will even prevent the hotting of the clipper.